Hi everyone, my name is Yasmin. I'm an environmental engineer, and today I'd like to explain to you what a circular economy is, how it works, and what's the whole idea behind it. A circular economy has as its main goal to continually reduce the environmental impacts of production and consumption, while still enabling economic growth through a more sustainable use of our natural resources. It tries to maximize value at each point in a product's life, seeking to close industrial loops, and to turn outputs from one manufacturer into inputs for another. By doing so, reducing the consumption of virgin materials and the generation of waste. According to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, the circular economy is based on 3 principles: design out waste and pollution, keep products and materials in use, and regenerate natural systems. By applying these principles, it encourages everyone to think more about where their products come from and to think differently about the waste they're generating. Last year, in 2019, the United Nations Environment Program published that 90 billion tons of primary materials are extracted and used globally. And to make it worse, out of those 90 billion tons, only 9% is being recycled. Not only is this completely unsustainable, but our mindset of take, make, waste has significant impacts on human health, climate change, and the environment. The idea behind a circular economy is to avoid waste through good product design and effective recovery of materials that can be reused. The circular economy promotes businesses to have more efficient models that encourages responsible and efficient product use, like sharing products with different users or offering services such as maintenance, repair, and proper disposal. This will increase the values obtained from the resources used to create products and services. Every purchase we make has an effect on the environment. Let's take a plastic water bottle, for example. In today's system, the oil is mined, refined, and then turned into a plastic bottle. And while some of that plastic bottle will be recycled, the majority will be disposed of in a landfill where that resource is wasted and never used again. Whereas in a circular economy, we will choose goods and services that create more value from fewer resources. The objective is to transform our linear system mindset that we currently have that I mentioned to a more circular approach where we maintain the values of resources for as long as we possibly can. Only then can we create a thriving economy that benefits everyone within the limits of our planet. To get there, it requires for everyone to make a small effort. Combined effort can have a huge impact. So here are 3 ways that you can help society move towards a circular economy. Number 1, practice your own recycling and reusing. By learning to repair, reuse, and recycle your items properly, there will be less demand for the production of new items. If enough people do this, it'll help transition to an economy that isn't focused on mass production one-use items. Number 2, shop wisely and responsibly. Use your buyer influence to show businesses that you do not support the current linear economic system. Try to stick to products that are made out of recycled materials or those that you know that have an option to be recycled. And number 3, grow your own food and compost. Fresh produce is often transported, packaged, and sold in plastic. If you have the chance to grow your own vegetables, it will remove potential waste involved in this process. And if you can't grow your own, what you can do is always bring your own reusable bag as a way to avoid plastic. And you can always compost at home as a way to reduce your organic waste. Well guys, I hope that through this brief explanation, I helped you to understand the concept of a circular economy a little bit better. If you want to go more into depth on this topic, message me so I can share a few articles that I find very interesting. Thank you for watching. Bye.